So today we're going to make rice lasagna. I'm going to show you what to do, the steps are, and all the ingredients. Okay, so this is the rice I bought. Get about 2 cups. It also depends for how many people you're making it for. I'm making it for about 4 or 5 people, so I got a nice 2 cup of rice, and we're going to boil it. Okay, so I got the water boiling for the rice. I'm going to put that in now. Here it is. I let it boil halfway. Don't cook it all the way. No good. So in the meantime, I have oil sauteing with garlic. We're going to make sauce. And in here, I have another pan with just oil in here. And I'm going to make eggplants in there. The oil and garlic here is already gold. I'm going to pour the tomatoes in here. These are my own, but you could get like a crushed tomato can, whatever one you want. Just pour it right in here. And you let the sauce cook slowly. Okay, put some seasoning in there. I'm gonna add some parsley. And Italian seasoning right here. Okay, and let the sauce cook slowly. Okay, then you're gonna need about eggplants, 2 eggplants. Now these are called rice lasagna with alla norma, which means it has eggplants sliced in dices like that. Okay, so we're gonna slice this also. Slice it like that. I leave a little strips of the skin. I like it for decoration. Okay, so now we're gonna cut this in slices, thick slices, like that, nice and thick. Now we're gonna cut it in nice and thick strips, like this, and we'll cut the chunks. Here they are. Okay, once you've done this, you're going to put it in the oil that I have sauteing in there and let them cook. Keep on stirring them. Once you see that these are cooked, just take them out. If you see that it absorbs oil, don't worry about it, because the eggplant absorbs it first and then it releases the oil again. Okay, so these are almost ready. I'm going to put them in a dish. Okay, here we go. Now we're going to put the rest of the eggplant right in here. And let these cook as well. While the sauce is cooking here and the rice is cooking there. Meantime, we're going to have a tray and some Romano grated cheese right here. Some shredded mozzarella, or you could even use like a whole mozzarella and slice it up. I get the shredded, okay, like that, and you just get everything ready like that. Okay, so the rice is ready. Right here, I'm going to drain it. Drain the water out of it. Now in here, get some of that eggplant and put it in there. Okay, just like that. Now we're going to get the sauce, which is also ready. There it is. Okay, we get a scoop of the sauce. We put it right into the rice. And mix it all nicely together. some grated cheese, put it in here. Okay, now we have the tray. Put some sauce underneath. Get the rice, put it right in here. Create a nice layer. Okay. Then we get a little more sauce right over it. Get some eggplants right in here. Put the whole thing of eggplants. Okay. Spread these nicely. Okay. Now, get the shredded mozzarella. By the way, if you want shredded sausages in here, you could also add those. Put this right in here. Plenty of mozzarella. And we're going to make another layer anyway. And some grated cheese. Okay. Then get the rest of the rice. Pour it right on top of it. Spread it nicely. Till you spread it all nice together. Just add, let's put first the sauce. And keep some sauce extra for when you're done that you put it in your plate, so you can always put extra. Here we go. Okay, now get some more grated cheese. Okay, some mozzarella again. Don't forget the rice is not cooked all the way. It's halfway cooked, because it's going to re-cook in here, otherwise then it'll get mush. Okay. Okay. Add some seasoning. Italian seasoning I use. Some black pepper. And salt. I buy this Italian salt. Okay, so now that you have this, what you're gonna do, you're gonna put aluminum foil right over it. And you have the oven preheating already. And I got it in the oven for 350, and for about, I would say, half hour to 45 minutes. You'll be the judge of it. When the mozzarella is all melted, that should be fine. Okay, so let's see when it cooks. Here it is. So let's see how it came out. Look at this thing. It's beautiful, doesn't it? Look at all the strings. Okay, so now we cut it. Okay, put a little extra sauce over it. And cheese. And here it is. Rice lasagna alla norma. Let's see. Yum. I'm not a fan of rice, but this is delicious. Make them. It's very easy. Have a good day. And till next time.